Well, team, I am back. I appreciate everybody and their sending me their well wishes. Finally got over COVID. Man, it is no joke. It's no joke. Definitely take care of yourself if you're getting it or you're close to somebody that's going to get it, you know. But hey, today, first I want to thank everybody that sent us some stuff. I apologize for the timeline. I really wanted to get it done last Monday, but of course, you know, COVID hit me, so I apologize for that. But we're gonna go through these real quick, okay? Let me see who this is from. Hopefully you guys sent me some notes. That'd be great. All right, got some airheads. And again, everything that we get here, we're giving to the team. All right, this one right here says, "Hey, thanks for the great content. You're my favorite channel on YouTube. Keep up the great work." Hey, thanks. This is awesome. And I'm actually going to keep every one of these. I will tell you, if you do send me something and you have your own YouTube channel, I will plug your channel, of course, and also I will subscribe to your channel. Okay? All right, so we got some airheads. Awesome. I know we got a few of the airhead boxes. I'm probably going to send some to the Austin site, just so we can share with our crew up there, okay? Make sure nothing else in there. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh my God, that one's heavy. This one mine? Nope, this is work. Let's open it up real quick. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that polish. Woo! Got some slide polish. All right. Okay. This is for the pool guy. All right. I need a knife. Where's my knife? There we go. Got me a cool knife. Here we go. You guys have been amazing. I appreciate everything y'all have been doing for us. All right, thanks for the videos. There's Skookum is Frig. It should help brighten us. The tubes and pits from Craig S. Young. Craig, thanks so much. It's a headlamp, I believe. Yeah, that's awesome. That's cool. It's a headlamp that's rechargeable. Big old LED on that. Look at that. That's legit. I wonder if it lights up. Okay, gotta charge it. That's pretty cool. Thanks for that, guys. Thanks for that, Craig. Craig Young, I appreciate you. And if you don't know what he's talking about, Skookumix Frig, you need to check out AVE. Now, I'm curious, if you've watched long enough, what does AVE stand for? Pretty sure we've talked about this. I think AVE stands for Arduino versus Evil. That's something we've always talked about. Okay, got another one here. All right, more airheads. Love the entertainment and knowledge. Keep up the good work. Hello from Wisconsin, all the way from Wisconsin. Awesome, Tristan. Hopefully I don't miss it. Hate Kemper. Thank you, Tristan. Much appreciate you, buddy. Got some more airheads. Like I said, I'm probably gonna send some to the Austin site. Yeah. Ho ho ho! Woo-wee! Oh no! It didn't come with anything. It didn't come with a note or anything. If you've sent this to us, let me know. It didn't come with a note. See, it didn't come with a note. I want to make sure you get a big thank you. So whoever sent this to me, thanks so much. I apologize, it didn't have the name on it. Full-size candy bars for the guys. I know they're gonna love that. Alright, just want to make sure these are all pool guy ones, you know what I mean? Alright, got some fruit snacks. Guys, I'll tell you what, these are like gold for us during the summer. Sometimes we just need a little bit. Enjoy the fruit snacks. Thanks for the awesome content from Dylan W from California. Thanks, Dylan. These are awesome. We love these. We go through these boxes like crazy. Put that there. Okay. Maintenance, the pool guy. All right, here's the last one. At least I think it's the last one. Oh, hell yeah. All right, let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, they sent them in the same box. That's crazy. Let's see, do they have any more? All right, so here's 2 airheads. All right, so the airhead box is from Johnny Be Good. Thank you, Johnny Be Good. That's awesome. Another airhead box. And from Nate D. This is gonna be a chip box. Oh, wait, let's see. Ah. Yeah. Oh, nice. See, I think I'm gonna have to buy a box like this for home. My kids will enjoy this, and it has my favorite chips. You ever know it's my favorite chips? I love Funyuns. My favorite chips. Thanks so much, team. Highly appreciate you sending gifts to us. And like I said, these aren't just for me. These are gonna be put out for the rest of the team. I'm trying to. My office is very tight. Look, I'll show you real quick. My office is extremely tight. We actually office in a Connex. Okay, this is my office. Okay, Kay sits here. She's our water quality person. She sits here, and then that's my office, or this is my section area, right? Anyway, thanks so much, team. Appreciate you sending us some gifts and some treats. This is pretty awesome. If you'd like to donate to the team, I'll put the link in the description below for the Amazon wish list. And again, thanks so much. I got content coming out. Again, I just got back from COVID, and I'm hoping that I can get everybody some good stuff soon. It's a wet day today. I'm not able to do anything. So, but yeah, thanks so much, and we'll catch you on the next one, team. Thanks so much.